Fernando Kabalin, welcome to Pampanga for another feature from home. For today's video, titikman natin ang mga tinapay na pinadala ng Fides Bakeshop. Guys, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So ayun nga guys, una pa lang na-impress na ako sa packaging. Tingnan nyo naman guys, box pa lang medyo sosyalin na ang dating. Let me introduce to you one by one kung ano ba yung mga nasa box na mga ito. So una, we have Langues de Chat. Tama ba yung pagkakabasa ko? If you know how to pronounce this one, please comment at the comment section para po malaman po natin. So ito yung mga yon. Ayan. So these are delicately thin biscuits. So next one, meron tayong cheese rolls. Ito. And then meron din tayong cheese rolls with Queso de Bola. Ito naman yon. Now meron din tayong mga cream cheese rolls, which are this one. And then meron din tayong cream cheese rolls with Queso de Bola. Ito naman ang mga yon. And then lastly, meron tayong special Ensaymada with Queso de Bola. So titikman na natin to, starting with this one. Ooh. Wow. Ang sarap actually. Para sa akin, it's creamy, not too sweet. One more. Whoa. Alright, next, I wanna try ito yung kanilang cheese rolls. From the name itself, it's a cheese roll. So meron tayong cheese stick dun sa loob ng bread natin. Next to taste is the cheese roll with Queso de Bola. I wonder ano yung pinaka-difference nito. So tingnan natin. So I think main difference natin between the cheese roll and then cheese roll with Queso de Bola is, so yung topping natin for this one, konti lang yung sugar and then more of the parang grated Queso de Bola. Alright, so next to taste is the cream cheese roll. Ito yun guys. Wow. Trying it for the first time. So it has cream cheese doon sa pinaka-middle ng bread din natin. So finishing up. Alright, so let's talk about the taste difference between the cheese roll and then yung cream cheese roll. So from the name itself, so this one has a feeling of cheese. It's a little bit salty and milky. On the other side, yung cream cheese naman natin is creamier but it has a little bit of sour taste. So that's the difference between the cheese roll and then yung cream cheese roll. Alright, so last to taste is the special Ensaymada with Queso de Bola. Basing from the look of it, ang galing guys. It's very, very premium. Tingnan na natin. To tell you honestly guys, not really a fan of Ensaymada, but this one, parang swak yung timplado nito guys. A little bit of sugar and then yung pinaka-bread natin, it's not too dry. Okay lang naman yung moist niya. And then on top, meron tayong Queso de Bola. Very, very fragrant Queso de Bola guys. If you're just with me, sobrang pagbukas pa lang ng box guys, talagang amoy na amoy mo na yung Queso de Bola. One more bite. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you got interested with the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out Fides Bakeshop. It's gonna be tagged sa post na to, or we're gonna be providing the link and the number you need to call if you wanna try Fides Bakeshop. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.